Hello, welcome. In this short video, I'm going to show you how best you can insert picture when you're working in Excel. Sometimes you may be working in Excel and you may need to insert pictures. So let's see the best way to do it. Now let's say I want to insert the flag of these countries. What I will do is that I will simply click on where I want to insert the flag, and then I will go to my insert tab, and then I'll click on shapes, and then I'll select this particular rectangle shape. I'll select it. Then I'll come here, I'll just click, I'll hold on my mouse. Now I'll also press on my Alt key. Hold on your mouse, press Alt key and drag the shape to fit the size of whatever the cells you have drawn. After that, then go to shape fill under the shape format, then shape fill, and then click on pictures, and then select where your picture is located. I'm going to click here, and then I have this. As you can see, that it perfectly fits. Now let's do the second one. I can again go to insert, select shapes, and then I'll click and then hold on my Alt key, and then I'll draw to fit perfectly. I'll go to the shape format, and then shape fill, and then pictures. I'll select from the location, then I'll click OK, and then as you can see that perfectly it fitted. And then lastly, we can go to insert, and then select this shape, click and hold on your Alt key, and then drag to fit perfectly. Go to shape fill, and then select pictures. From here, then I'll select Ghana this time around. I'll click on OK, and then we have it. So this, you can see that it's perfectly fit. You can, of course, let me adjust. You can move it. If you move it to fit perfectly, as you can see that fitted, as you can see. And then that's one of the best way which you can insert pictures when you're working in Excel. Thank you.